Hi guys, so today let us make Poundo Yam. So first you get your Poundo Yam flour. You can get any brand actually. Next you get your water, you put your water on fire. Once the water boils, you get your Poundo Yam flour and then you add the flour to the water on fire. So as you're adding, you're turning. Now once you get the quantity you actually want, you can drop the flour and concentrate on turning the poundo yam on fire. Also, don't forget to set small hot water aside that you'll be adding to it little by little so it doesn't burn and so it comes out smooth and without any lumps. So you just be adding the hot water to the poundo yam little by little, and also you have to be very careful and you have to hold the pot firmly. You're going to turn the poundo yam like you're making semo or you're making eba. So you have to be very careful and you have to turn it well. Now, if your stick is too sticky, you can always dip the stick in cold water. You dip a little, then you turn your poundo yam. If you feel it's sticky again, you repeat the same process, and that's how you keep turning your poundo yam. If you've gotten to this stage, please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe if you've not, and also, feel free to share the video so that other people that wants to know how to make poundo yam can learn from it. And feel free to tell us how you make your own poundo yam in the comment section. If you like this content, feel free to check our channel for other interesting contents like this. We have different ways to make different sandwich. We have so many breakfast ideas. We have so many things you can actually learn on our channel. So feel free to take a tour on the channel, and if you don't find what you want or what you're looking for, kindly drop a comment in the comment section, and if it is something we can do, we promise to do that. So let us know what you want to see on our channel in the comment section, and we are definitely going to deliver. So let us know what you think about this poundo yam also in the comment section. And now we are done, and you can just remove your poundo yam from fire and eat this with any soup at all. Let me know if you prefer poundo yam flour or you would rather pound your yam yourself. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.